You will love this Norwegian Christmas bread. The incredible aroma and flavor of the cardamom, the candied fruits, and the raisins soaked in rum make this bread a delicious Christmas tradition. I have in here the peels of 4 mandarins that I am cutting in small strips to make my own candied peels. You can use pre-made candied fruits for this bread, but I prefer to make my own because the flavor is much more delicious. So once you cut them all, put them in a container with boiling water and let them simmer for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove all the water and cook them again with half a cup of water and 50 grams or a quarter cup of sugar. Mix all the ingredients with a silicone spatula and let them simmer until all the water has evaporated. Then turn off the stove and let the peels air dry for a couple hours. To prepare the raisins, soak them with rum for at least 4 or up to 8 hours. Place the raisins in a sieve to remove the rum. Now, pour in the bowl of a stand mixer 300 grams or 1 1/4 cups of milk, 50 grams or 1 egg, 50 grams or a quarter cup of sugar, and 100 grams or a third of a cup of sourdough starter at 50% hydration. If you need the exact quantities to make this sourdough starter, refer to the recipe on my website. Use the hook attachment to knead all the ingredients and then add 500 grams or 4 cups of bread flour. Knead the flour until the dough is not sticking to the walls of the bowl for a couple minutes. Add 60 grams or a quarter cup of butter cut in pieces at room temperature. Add the butter gradually. Make sure each piece of butter is absorbed before adding more butter. Add 8 grams or 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt and 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of ground cardamom. Mix all the ingredients for about 20 minutes or until all the dough is soft, elastic, and it doesn't stick to the walls of the mixing bowl. Add the candied mandarin peels and the soaked raisins. Knead at low speed for a couple minutes to incorporate the fruits in the dough. Transfer the dough to a grease-proofing container and let it proof for at least 4 hours at room temperature and up to 8 hours. Remove the dough from the proofing container. Stretch it and fold it on itself and make a ball. Cover the dough with a towel and let the dough rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, stretch and fold the dough again to add more tension and strength to the dough and make a ball again. Place the dough on a prepared baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and let the dough proof for a couple hours in a warm place. Brush the dough with egg wash on all the surface of the dough and add plenty of sliced almonds on top. Place in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes or until the bread is golden brown. Let the bread cool off completely before you slice it and then enjoy this delicious Christmas bread. This bread is aromatic, delicious, very soft, and full of the fruity flavors of Christmas. Enjoy! Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. For more information on this and all my recipes, please visit my website.